Hey there, grilling enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things outdoor cooking. Today, we've got something truly special for you. The Blaze Double-Side Burner Natural Gas Grill.
Now, if you're serious about your outdoor grilling game, this might just be the best natural gas barbecue grill on the market. Stick around as we dive into all the features and benefits of this beauty.
First things first, let's talk about the build quality. The Blaze Double-Side Burner is built like a tank.
It's constructed from heavy-duty 304 stainless steel, which means it's not only durable but also built to withstand the elements. Whether it's rain or shine, this grill will be your reliable companion for years to come.
Now, let's talk about performance.
This grill features not one, but two cast brass burners, delivering a total of 24,000 BTUs of cooking power. That means you can sear, sauté, and simmer with precision, giving you complete control over your outdoor cooking experience. One of the standout features of the Blaze Double-Side Burner is the intuitive LED control panel. Not only does it add a touch of sophistication to your outdoor kitchen, but it also provides easy-to-read temperature controls, even in low-light conditions.
Plus, the red LED lights add a cool factor that's sure to impress your guests. Of course, no grill review would be complete without talking about the end result, the food. I've got some delicious steaks ready to go, so let's fire up the Blaze Double-Side Burner and see how it performs.
As you can see, the Blaze Double-Side Burner delivers on its promise of exceptional cooking performance. The steaks are cooked to perfection, with beautiful sear marks and juicy, tender meat. Whether you're grilling for a crowd or just cooking up a quick weeknight dinner, this grill has got you covered. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best natural gas barbecue grill, look no further than the Blaze Double-Side Burner. With its durable construction, powerful performance, and sleek design, it's sure to elevate your outdoor cooking game to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!